And I have to commend them dahil they're playing like parang magkakapatid na sila eh. And then they know what to do. And yung role nila talagang define na define eh. Well, maybe because of our defense, nag-step up sila, especially nung after first 5 minutes ng first quarter, they realized na Phoenix is not hindi sila mahina eh. And then very dangerous yung team na yun dahil we watched their game against Ginebra, and Ginebra is a strong team for me, and tinalo nila. That's why I told them na you have to remember, last conference, we won the championship without beating Phoenix eh. And then that's in their mind eh. And I'm happy to see those players, especially Alex Cabagnot, Chris Ross, and Marcio. At talagang naantig yung kanilang yung ego nila na we have to play defense. And then the good thing with these three guys, two-way sila eh, player eh. Pwede silang offensa, pwede depensa, and pinakita naman nila eh. But, yung kay Junmar, given na yun eh. Then talagang he can dominate against a local player. But of course, he cannot do that without the help of our import. And I think even though our import did not score heavily, but his presence in the court could help a lot to the local players. Well, yun naman sinasabi ko sa kanila, especially sa starter eh. Kailangan we have a good start for us to have a good rotation. Dahil ang strength namin ay nasa bench namin eh. Dahil sila, even sa practice talagang sila nagpapakita eh. And alam mo, yung mga starter namin talagang wear and tear na rin eh. So kung kailangan nila magpahinga, andyan yung mga bench namin. And then sila nagpupuno para sa kanila. And the good thing with the team is alam na nila kung paano manalo.